So I'm sure you know what time it is when you see this green blackboard. This is time for dating tips and tricks, how to showcase your personality to maybe get more matches on your dating profile. There is lots of dustiness in this video, so this is your trigger warning just in case you have asthma, emphysema, or bronchitis. This one is a little bit different because after I show you the profile, there are text messages going back and forth between this person and a woman. This is Dexter. He's 39. He says, please read my profile. My info is accurate and updated. Tall, 6'4", single, no kids, drive, employed, live alone. I'm a prep cook at a banquet hall. Just looking to engage with like-minded individuals. Please conduct yourself with the same level of respect and maturity you would like to receive from others. Humor is my friend, so don't be uptight and extra serious like that one auntie whose house you didn't want to go to for Thanksgiving as a kid. LOL. I come in peace at the end of the day. I do not know why men have to make their height their personality. Like, okay, I get it. You're tall, you're over 6 foot, but they really think that this is what women are asking for. All right. So this is Dexter, and he is he got some very colorful shoes. I don't know. Is that a game console in his hand or is that just his cell phone? I don't know. Not smiling, but his place is clean. Okay, cool. Yep. Yep. Looks very straightforward. I don't know whose house he's at, but this is Dexter. Okay, so this is Dexter talking. Most folks just want someone to take them out on dates and pay for it. It's a weird time we're living in. LOL. And the woman says, yeah, I absolutely expect the man to arrange something and be able to afford it. Doesn't mean always or only, but initially, yes. Plus, dates don't always have to be financial. Get creative. So right here, Dexter is saying most folks just want, how does he know? He has to talk to people. Anyways, let's just keep going. Then Dexter continues, men don't want to pay to get to know someone. That's insane. LOL. Women have made a list of where they don't want to go on first dates. Applebee's and Cheesecake Factory is out. They really expect a man to drop big money on them when they're complete strangers. Women don't really offer much outside of sex anyway. Ask them what they bring to the table, and they'll list off masculine traits or simply say, me, like that's something. I've encountered a few women who are realistic and not living on Fantasy Island, but it's few and far between. You seem pretty honest, though. She says, I appreciate your honesty, but we aren't compatible. Good luck out there. And he says, I'm sure we aren't, because I ain't spending no money on strangers. LOL. There were quite a few red flags waving throughout this conversation. Hopefully, in the comment section, you pick out what you saw. But I don't like it when men say something about those other people, as in to imply that you're not one of those people. Like some women do this, but you seem cool though. You don't seem like you do that. And why are you on dating sites if you don't want to actually take a woman out to date? I don't know what these people are really thinking that's going to happen, especially when women are like, yeah, I do expect a date. There is plenty of material in here. Please let me know what you see. He is not giving off energy that is going to keep women engaged, that I believe. Right here where it says tall, single, no kids, drive, employed. Okay, so he's employed, he lives alone, he has a job. Okay, cool. They list this off like this is part of their personality. Like, why are you, I get it. This is basic adult stuff. I don't think that that is something that you have to like like put like this is a highlight. I have drive and I'm employed. Yay. I don't know. But positives, he does use punctuation marks. Um, okay, you guys go ahead and list off your positives. Y'all, this next one, you might catch something. I don't know, but this one is bad. This one is bad. Okay. DCS is 35. He says, I'm him and he is me. Don't get in my inbox saying you need help with no effing bills because I'll block your butt real quick. And he doesn't use, I don't know. Look at the spelling of these words. What is he going for? And why is he doing this at 35? But I'm about to reveal this. This is your trigger warning right now. I feel itchy. I feel itchy. But this profile is perfect. I believe that DCS should leave it just like this. So I'm going to just scroll away and go to the next one. But he's in Mississippi, y'all, and he's over 6 feet tall. And don't jump in his inbox if you just want him to pay some bills. Let me know what you think about DCS. Okay, so now we got Jesse. He's 36. He just joined us, and he's looking for friendship. He is looking for a relationship with hunching every day and someone who would like to move in with me that can cook for me, keep me fed, and help with house cleaning. And you have to keep me satisfied in bed. I don't have kids. I don't want kids. I don't do kids. And religion is not welcome around me. If I can't eat your then I don't want you. Um, a real woman in a relationship will not say no to giving him relations. Okay, it's time for the review. Jesse, 36. He wants a woman to move in with him and keep him satisfied in bed and help cook for him and clean his house. More of Jesse, just a little bit closer. But let's get back to his bio. Jesse is a bit audacious, just putting it out here like that. That all he really wants is a bang maid that cooks for him. But you know where he lives. I mean, not where he lives. You know what it is. He put a lot of cap locks on here. He put it out there. He mentions hunching a couple of times. So you are not confused. So if you match with him, you should not be confused. So whatever you guys think about Jesse, please go ahead. Let me know in the comments. Finally, we got John, who's 31, or he at least typed that he was 31. He says, I'm loving and caring and honest with people, and I don't hide nothing from anyone. I'm single and need a good woman that not after money. If you are serious, please call me at. And he actually put his phone number on this dating site. He's in Forest Park, Georgia. He's 6 feet tall. So there you go. There's John, who's 31. He put his phone number out there. If you are interested, please just let me know. I will send it. But he says, I'm loving and caring and honest with people, and I don't hide nothing from anyone. I'm single and needs a good woman that not after money. If you are serious, please call me. So please, he's looking for a long-term relationship. These pictures just scream like, yes, I'm available. I'm outgoing. Please, I'm supportive. These pictures tell me everything that I need to know. And honestly, I wouldn't even change anything about these pictures. They just, whew. But you guys go ahead. Let me know, what do you think about it? That's actually all that I have for today. At this point, what I'm gathering about dating online is, whew, it's just bad out there, y'all. It's, whew, how y'all do that? Ooh, even just seeing a snippet of what I get, what I see on social media, I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. But y'all weigh in. Y'all seem to like these. So, here you go. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.